welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to talk about what are the top 5 advantages of buying the Realme GT Neo 2 device. Yes friends, finally the Realme GT Neo 2 has been launched in India and few of the users, they are actually planning to buy this device, but they want to know all the advantages and disadvantages. But I'll try to include advantages in this video and I'll try to talk about disadvantages later on. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos as well. So let's start with the first advantage with the Realme GT Neo 2 is the price. Yes friends, I never thought I can say this kind of advantage because the Realme GT Neo 2 will be starting around 25,000 rupees and where there will be 7,000 rupees off. So during the special festival sale offer which is going on, so in the Flipkart, I think during the 16th and 17th of October, this kind of offer is available during the special Diwali sale. And the price for this kind of price, I can definitely say friends, it has got really insane kind of specifications. So this is one of the major advantage for the Realme GT Neo 2, the price 25,000 rupees. And second advantage, which is something to do with the cooling system in this Realme GT Neo 2. Yes, so this is one of these kinds which they are trying to use for the first time. They did implement using the diamond gel coated particles which is present in the cooling system. Yes, and one more thing, the area of this cooling system is also really big that it can actually cover few of the portion of the motherboard and few portion of the battery as well. That's another main key point they did highlight during the launch event of the Realme GT Neo 2. As you can see friends, 68% of the motherboard area will be covered exactly, and 42% of the battery area will be covered. So with this area of covering the battery and the motherboard, the temperatures can be definitely really low. That's what I'm expecting in this Realme GT Neo 2. Because of having the 30% larger area than the previous generation. You can clearly see Realme's largest stainless steel vacuum chamber is installed in this Realme GT Neo 2. So that's something to know regarding the heating system in this device, which will be covered about total area. You can clearly see total area is covered in this phone. And also we do get the performance levels as well. Snapdragon 870 for this kind of price range is also another advantage, which I can definitely say that. So third advantage is regarding the battery and the charging speed. OMG, like 5000 mAh of battery, which can actually get charged in 36 minutes of time. Yes friends, just 36 minutes of time total time takes to charge the Realme GT Neo 2. That's kind of really insane time, 36 minutes only for the 5000 mAh of battery capacity. So this is a really fast charging. I can definitely say that using the 65 watt super dot charger. And with this battery, the Realme claims that we can actually play 8 hours of gaming, 24 hours of the YouTube videos you can actually watch, 88 hours of music you can actually listen, 33 hours of the talk time you can actually get out of the Realme GT Neo 2. And fourth advantage is regarding the display. Yes friends, the display of the Realme GT Neo 2 comes with a E4 type of AMOLED panel, which has a screen to body ratio is about 92.6% screen to body ratio, which is really high, which is also really good to see. 6.62 inches screen size, big screen. Along with that, we do have 600 Hz of touch sampling rate for the price of 25,000 rupees friends. If you try to use the offer, oh my god, it's kind of highest touch sampling rate in India you can actually buy. 600 Hz of touch sampling rate in this Realme GT Neo 2. And with that, I think the panel is really kind of power saving enabled. That means you'll 15% of the power saving will be used because of the display panel which is implemented in this device. That's also another good thing. So a lot of power saving will be there. And apart from that, we do have that DCI P3 color gamut and NTSC as well, and HDR10 Plus certified in the display. And finally with the brightness, 1300 nits of brightness. Wow, OMG. Like in the display also, there's a lot of advantages going on in the Realme GT Neo 2. And final advantage can be the Realme UI 3.0, which comes pre-installed in the Realme GT Neo 2. Yes friends, is going to release very soon, even for other phones as well. But this is the first phone to get the Realme UI 3.0. If you want to experience the latest Realme UI, then it is a chance for you all to experience in this device. That's going to be really very interesting to see. So how well the Realme UI 3.0 going to perform. So these are my top 5 picks on the Realme GT Neo 2 and advantages of buying the Realme GT Neo 2 for this kind of price, which is 25,000 rupees. So this price is the one major thing why a lot of users are actually interested to buy this device. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries on this device, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.